Minister Nongthong Biren appeals to ensure correct details of voter list as it will help in curbing illegal entry of migrants in the state. Makhan Union President Henry K. Henny claims Makhan villages have never inhabited on Maram territory nor paid any land taxes. Members of Federation of Government College Teachers Association Manipur announced mass casual leave on September 24th and 25th in demand for 7th UGC pay scale. And Ministry of Sports announces creation of 20 national centers of excellence, including Imphal and Guwahati centers, to groom athletes for 2024 and 2028 Olympics. Hello, welcome to Back News. You're watching Primetime English News, and I'm Premi Thangchum, bringing you the top stories. Chief Minister Nongthong Biren has urged BLO's authorities concerned and the public to cooperate in ensuring correct details on voters' lists as it will help in curbing illegal entry of migrants in the state. He was speaking at Ayushman Bharat Divas jointly organized by State Health Agency Manipur and National Health Mission Manipur and Directorate of Health Services Manipur at Jennings Auditorium in Porumpa today. Biren maintained that responsibility to protect Manipur lies not only with the government but every citizens are equally responsible. He reminded that Prime Minister Narendra Modi is committed to bring welfare and development in the country. Biren maintained that Modi government has initiated various welfare schemes and has brought progress in various sectors including health sector. Stating that media houses of the state have advanced, the Chief Minister urged media houses to keep tab on those missing out on various government welfare schemes. Biren appealed to those working in the health sector to discharge their duties efficiently with a sacrificial spirit and urged everyone to be responsible citizen.
DC sing na BLO sing to kokolo maram sadana documents sudana valid oidana kanagumba voter list hapamagadi sab chaba action logani haiba amagaloina na khangalaga yam clear oina systematically ihanbiyo oina madumai apil tawjaninge fajana work structure piyo voter list ama ibana ta hapa taw madam yumdu deida sangaga missing du da folin lepalaga identify tarwa tawa laiba kanbada sarkar khakta da yaroi sarkar sina kho yauri bani hospital da admit tawre ICU da leire rupa lakh taruk tare tare in course on Matavani. Sumama Masu, Husik Lady, I don't know, Masiki, Potsik, Ramana, reduced the way again. I don't know, Rims, Kazanims, Katarina, Apelton, Yaninga, neurosurgery Gumba, ICU, the patient, the Kaliba, Sukumba, government hospital, the Panton of Masima, I'm gonna concentrate priority behind Madam D. Sukumba, the line of I have even in cold on Tono, I am no idea.
Speaking at the event, Health Minister Langpok Lakpam Jentakumar appealed to everyone to be aware about various government's welfare schemes, including Ayushman Bharat. He also urged those in the health sector to work with responsibility.
I hostel said, "Don't know with the I didn't money. I do work as a similar like you know, line of Gamun, see the Mutari, quick, Bell Gertoxina, Doctor Singh. Equipment wasn't moved that BBC TV the kitten cut over Bongaloina, the winner of an high Madu appeal to the Madumani, Bardi Prime Minister Boris in Harris. General of Sandiki Makaki, that Pachanga people, Payagabong was a cigar, Pachanga therapy with the Madua Kamato, Changa therapy for he knows it, but Mango on the table. But get the wing man hiding a report to the Payang the Yolo, and the wing pharmacy come with my high to you. Carino, I target. Maybe don't come, but the Nang Sopio. Modi in it with a secret and Nang to him to him. Alcatovan and the wine fell. What did he sacrifice a little in a kit of Bantom and the Siena? Cody Macallan Morilla, built the Yannis, Carino, is my minute of run.
Makhan Union President Henry K. Henny has refuted that Makhan villages have never inhabited on the territory of Maram village, nor have they paid any land taxes. He has claimed that those recently burnt down 10 houses of Makhan village existed even before Minister Kaishi contested in the last election. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, Henny refuted yesterday's statement of Northern Maram People's Organization NMPO regarding the fire incident that occurred on September 17th as unfounded. Maintaining that Maram and Makhan are two neighboring villages, he asserted that Makhan villagers have never trespassed on Maram's territory, and the same is proved by hearings on 5 different cases since 1905. Till date, Henry claimed that the recently set ablaze houses were constructed 10 years ago. President of the Makhan Union demanded the state government to act swift in punishing those involved in the malicious act of NMPO has already claimed responsibility for the same.
Aduga khabarda amar khaibiso minister gaiso na laga jumsi sahanbani mana iran si thongkhanbani khutpani ana khabarda so allegate tawi herio chakriba jumsi mi chahi tara nipan mapan tara sa leiraga dukan todun leira bunni minister gais na saba jum mana saro haina saba jum nate madi ngarang lahanda kawni sabdi chahi jum mi leibisi di chahi nipan mapan sure aduga hoji thoki ba main thoki ba thodok aduga maram bazar gi mapanda jum amani nobody sai adudi minister sai hebdi langini aduso mi lampu gi mi singna changla ga sai maram na akhoi gi lamni haibu wani akhoi gi lamni hebi court ki order mayama mana praman on akhoi gi lamni aina lampu amani na sai aduna taba topa anoba jumso susa sadi.
Meanwhile, Makhan People's Organization has called indefinite ban on National Highway No. 2 Imphal-Dimapur Road from this midnight against the government's failure to nab those culprits who set ablaze houses near Makhan Bridge in Senapati district on September 17th. Distraught with government's failure to give 7th UGC pay scale, members of Federation of Government College Teachers Association to Manipur, FEGOGTA, have announced mass casual leave on September 24 and 25th. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, teacher members of the association warned that they will hold protest meet on September 26 at Keshampatlai Majamlaikai Community Hall, followed by sit-ins at their respective colleges on September 27th and 28th if the government failed to pay heed to their demand. They further warned of going on cease-work strike starting October 3rd if the government still failed to meet their demand. It may be recalled that Education Minister had assured to members of the association to look into their demand during their meeting in December last year.
Experience koigi tha mapan muk sujale adu ekoi de nungai taba mana ekoi gi atop state government gi employee gi di 7 pay se chanari ni haidana koigi 11 July da order chi thokre ado koina hangjaningi na college uja singsim koina yaw de haina thambirame ado koi yahon biu aduga UC gi matungina atop state haiba tare Assam gumba de koi uja sing strike tokdana makoi 1st April 2016 dagi 7 pay gi area yaw na pi khre ado mamang da so koi se tha taum doi handhan na pi aduga tolopsu mayam na ina yam khoina uja mo yam nungai jadaba si karigino koi da uja sing yam tathi da win tawse koi sahi mapan 9 years se hogi bawa koi gi tolopsu sudana pi aduna koi na masi yamna upai leitadna last option waina sigi agitation gi action program sing sit tokjage haina lokthok chabani mayam da.
Research scholars of 2017 and 2019 batch of various departments of Manipur University took out protest demonstration demanding the fellowship grant at the bus stand in university campus today. Taking part in the protest, a scholar stated that fellowship for non-NET research scholars are pending since 2017. He said they have been urging the Vice Chancellor, Registrar and other top officials to release the fellowship amount, but their demand is still left unfulfilled. He demanded the authorities concerned to take a decision to provide the fellowship amount during the Academic Council meeting to be held at MU A Block tomorrow, failing which he warned that research scholars will carry out various protests starting September 25th.
ngarang han akoi academic council jira 2017 gi base PhD to registration to riba kangu je date of final registration habi 2019 gi fellowship bi ni habi notice thokpa laigre haiba notice ase akoina masi yaning da gi akoi demand ase tawjabani masi gi demand ase akoi hayeng academic council date 24 September akoi gi a block ta hayeng jida kai gumba akoina pamjari demand se kai mo pass to widragadi akoi makhan makha ke agi khongjang jangchilakani madu dusnatana akoi gi Manipur University na piri fellowship se karam mong da piri bano habi se akoi review to wi haina use de chalaga akoi request tawjaraga Manipur University fellowship ji yengchalan.
Minister Langpok Lakpam Jayantakumar stated that museum displays identity, social background, arts and culture, attire and history of various communities. He was speaking at the Golden Jubilee celebration of Manipur State Museum cum valedictory event of cultural appreciation course held since September 16 today. Manipur State Museum, Department of Art and Culture, Government of Manipur organized the event at the museum campus. Speaking at the event, Minister Jayantakumar stated that museums in the state are outdated. He disclosed that the Art and Culture Department has already submitted concept paper to the government to renovate Manipur State Museum and Moirang INA Museum. The minister said clearance on the same is expected during an upcoming executive meeting on September 30th. Minister Jayantakumar also disclosed that funds have been sanctioned to renovate the 3 museums at Kangla.
Jaga Kudimaki community Kudimangna Magi street ki Magi country ki museums in the Moi Masa ki social background itihase Masimani Tano Hone Hari Vase Masida Lay Makil Kunajan Hingi Makil Mises Mind Dormi Nahabi exhibit over Makuli Achoba Makali mirror money in Habitai Maduri Yakuna State Museum Butuis Mutimalay and Habi Yamanato with certain philosophical ideas. Maduna Kari exhibit okay. Atomu Kunaida, the Atomu Kamusinda, Isaac Kanani, and I did this Kamatin disclosed okay. I was there. And there comes the importance of having a good museum. A museum like Kanava and Habshadunay.
CAF and PD Minister Karam Shyam has appealed to intellectual youths of Manipur to take up enterprises in the state instead of seeking jobs outside. Speaking at the launching program of a mobile Android app called e-Thabak, organized by LMP Technology Private Limited, Naurim Laikai at Manipur Press Club today, Minister Karam Shyam assured that the government will provide necessary assistance to those who take up enterprises in the state. He also stressed on the utility of internet in making life easy in the modern age. The newly launched mobile app will give updates on various private and government job openings in Manipur and other states.
Technology singse 100% madugi kanabadu akoina lobungama adu itardi nasigi pitribi chaukhallaba internet ki jugsida akoi narol singna adi tungda lehobu yadabagi tanja lakpanina na kudi mo masigi advantage launanaba honaragadaba matamne adu karigumba kanda the Laglashu Haven Arul Sina, the Madugi, Challenge, the Yaurga Labori Mota, Nisha Sadana, the Yu Taktana, the Light Fogadi, Akoi Horaven Arul Sinsina, Tungi Mirolna, a Petrivi Live, own home was the compet over the Ngamdabagi, the Tanjado Akoida Lakani.
Registrar of Cooperative Societies Manipur, Robert Ketrimayum, has warned that non-functional cooperative societies existed in state will be identified and scrapped off soon. He was speaking at the one-day seminar of empowering people through digitalization of cooperatives organized by Manipur State Cooperative Union at Lashram Laira Community Hall in Lamphal today. Registrar Robert Ketrimayum asserted that efforts will be made to further enhance the fully functional cooperative societies of Manipur. He maintained that computerization of the societies is almost 95% completed and works will be initiated to identify and annul non-functional societies. Speaking on the occasion, Vice President of Manipur State Cooperative Union, Gina Potsangbam, stated that the seminar aimed to bring collaboration between societies inside and outside the state. Gracing the event as a chief guest, Cooperation Commissioner H. Gyan Prakash stressed on the need to put in personal efforts to develop cooperative societies instead of merely waiting for funding from the government.
Isa isagi khallaga kanna honabiu thawai yauna pukchen sengna cooperative society to chawkhalakani society to chawkhalaba matungda state su adugi kanaba adum phangani
koi state Manipur pikarwa Manipur state sida more than 10,000 cooperative society lay whereas Himachal Pradesh according in Chaurawa Himachal Pradesh harba state sida 5,000 something khak lay cooperative society sinse adu koi layriba more than 10,000 si loina mathau tawrabra database ama semaga district singdagi pilot project oina masak nairaba singsi aidi khara hena koigi mangjin thana district ta lairiba singsi financial gi moigi balance sheet oiro performance oiro loina masi assessment tawraga koina hand holding gi type ta koina khara khut sambagi type ta koina masi hona na ba ina district cooperative office na koi sir commissioner gi lamjing makha da koi hona na ba ina koi kanna koi hona jari.
After Taubal, Chandal and Imphal East District Social Welfare and Cooperation Minister Nemcha Kipgen inaugurated One-Stop Center OSC at Haubam Marak Chingtham Leikai in Imphal West today. One-Stop Centers OSCs across the country aim to support women affected by violence in private and public spaces within the family, community and at the workplace. Speaking at the inaugural event organized by District Administration Imphal West, Manipur, Minister Nemcha Kipgen stated that the center opened as a part of various welfare schemes under the Ministry of Women and Child Development will greatly benefit women and children. She mentioned that One-Stop Center was opened for the first time in Manipur at Taubal in 2017. Minister Nemcha assured that OSCs will be opened in every district at the earliest.
Ngasi society asida nupi sing asida chathariba crime asi nongma hengat hanli maram aduna asigumba crime sing ngakthokna ba hotna da one stop center asige thodang jamna chawi imung manungda yumgi mapanda amadi thabak sufamda nupi singda mahal maha kaya gi violence zathabiri asigumba violence kaya asidagi ngakthokpa nupi oibi sing one stop center da piriba servicing ningthina mamutana hangba dalkar oi maram aduna aina praya miyam da appeal tawjari madudi tol tarba victim oireba nupi angang singbo one stop center da refer tobiduna center asigi asina piriba service asi phangnaba hotnabiyu.
Immigration Department of Myanmar has released a man who was arrested under Foreigners Act and kept in jail for the last 6 months. The person is 64-year-old T.A.'s Zadluanga, son of late Thankia from Electric Vang in Aizawl, Myanmar. Immigration Department handed over Zadluanga to More Police OC Ledkohau Wi-Fi and officials of the Immigration Department at Myanmar Immigration Checkpost near Indo-Myanmar Friendship Bridge today. Impact News sources said that Zadluanga has been handed over to his family after necessary verification. And on that note, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we'll bring you news on 23-year-old Manipuri youth Rajesh Ningombam participating in the upcoming Global Peace Summit at Kurdistan in Iraq. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break, and you're watching Prime Time English News. Manipuri youth Rajesh Ningombam has been selected to participate in the upcoming Global Peace Summit to be held at Kurdistan in Iraq from October 9 to 10. 23-year-old Rajesh Ningombam is the finance graduate. He will represent India and speak on the theme Peace by Dialogue in the International Peace Summit. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, Rajesh Ningombam stated that he is proud to represent the country in the Parliament House of Iraq located at Erbil. Delegates from more than 50 countries will participate and discuss on world peace and social justice at summit. Rajesh stressed on the need for proper and adequate encouragement of youths in the country to make them at par with their counterparts in other parts of the world. He stated that there is no youth commission in the country yet, and participation of youths in solving social issues is still low compared to other countries. Rajesh Ningombam, who is an ambassador for World Youth Summit South Africa 2019, had earlier participated in the Economic and International Business by Berlin, IBM and Global Youth Congress held at the UN Escape, Bangkok.
अतोप लमदा तौनरिबसिंजिगा अखोइना तौरिबसिगा याम इकाइबा अखोइगिसु खतंग पुथोकपा यागद्रा येंगबनेबा हंदकी बैंकॉक की यूएन एस्केप ता तौगिबसे इज आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस थ्रू दगी कमाइना डेवलपमेंट लाकदगेना तौबने कोइ लमदा आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस सु लेते डेवलपमेंट सु सस्टेनेबल होइदे अदुना मपान थोकु मतमदि यामना इकाइबा सेंट्रल योइना स्टेट की ओइना सिगुम अमता लेतबनिना कनादा इसिंगी पीगरे कम्युनिटी वर्क मैम पीबा कम्युनिटी सेंटर हांगनबगुम्बा अदै फिलीपींस ता हौजी याम कना सिंगल यूज प्लास्टिक की बदी ओइग्रे मोइदी आइलैंड मचा मचा ओइबनिना ओशन क्लीन अप तौबगी यूथ ता ओइना सिनै इवन इंडोनेशिया दा हौजी मोइ पोल्यूशन याम हेंगलकपदगी टूरिस्ट सिंग सिदा ओइना एजुकेट तौनबा गवर्नमेंट नंगमक्तबदगी यूथ सिंग स्कूल सिंग दगी यूथ खरा खांगलगा मोइदो ओइना पिथोकपा अवेयरनेस पीनबसे इमुंग अमदा यूथ अमा नत्र अनि दि लेबनिना यूथ सिदा तागदी लोइनमक युमदा यौगदबनिना यूथ सिंग सिदा ओइना focus tawbaneba.
All Ziribam Working Journalists Union held its 19th Foundation Day celebration at PWT Guest House at Babupara in Ziribam district today. Speaking at the event, President of All Manipur Working Journalists Union, Bijoy Kachingtabam, appealed to media persons to maintain professional ethics. Attending at the event, Ziribam SP Moirangthem Mubi stated that media is the mirror of a society. He urged authorities concerned to ease various inconveniences facing both print and electronic media with the advent of social media. Former President of All Ziribam Working Journalists Union, Mainam Jamenjoy, was awarded the Lifetime Achievement Award and Atom Sangoichao Social Award presented by Secretary of the Union, Atom Lukhoi. Additional Deputy Commissioner of Ziribam and Bumpkin and members of the union attended the event. Fragrance and Flavor Development Center FFDC Kanauj along with Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises MSME Technology Center Imphal kicked off 5-day entrepreneurship and skill development program on production of essential oils in field and its marketing at MSME Technology Center Imphal in Nilakoti today. National SC/ST Hub MSME Ministry Government of India sponsored the program. Speaking on the occasion, Project Coordinator of MSME Technology Center Imphal, Dr. S. Yurin Tomba stated that the training program aimed to promote entrepreneurship among people of scheduled caste and scheduled tribe category by providing them resourceful insights on how to plant and market various native medicinal and aromatic plants. Chief Conservator of Forest D1, T.H. Mohendra Pratap, Managing Director of Manipur Food Industries Corporation Limited, Peter Salam, Manager of National Small Industries Corporation Limited, Imphal, L. Ibetombi, Assistant Manager of Small Industries Development, Bank of India, Manipur, G. Ramkumar, 30 SC and ST trainees took part in the event.
Central government or state government की मागी annual requirement maybe service or product हाना 20% लेन बदगी amend तोर मतुंगा 25% सी local MSME में आमदगी लेगे तो उन्हें ना तुम्बा पाइल वादा ले रबने आई रिबा 25% सी की मनुंग मथकता 4% अमना SC/ST ना own तोबा तुम्बा enterprising दगी लेगे तोबा लेबा होइगे तोबा general ओइना 25% सी दी यौरे hen बुहेले whereas as far as SC/ST own आई रिबा 4% target तो दी यौबा ngam मरम ओरगा central government ना सही के तोबा SC/ST na moiging sa ke to number of enterprises hengalan ba na number of entrepreneur hengalan ba hengalakan de dang sagi koina target tori ba dum 4% lehen ba na target tori se si phangbang ngamna bi damakta training program se sinjabane.
Training on market-led extension kicked off today at the training hall of Krishi Vigyan Kendra in Andhra, Imphal East. Manipur Small Farmers Agri-Business Consortium and Krishi Vigyan Kendra Imphal East jointly organized a program under National Institute of Agricultural Marketing, Jaipur. Speaking on the occasion, Project Coordinator of Manipur Small Farmers Agri-Business Consortium, MS Kaidam, stated that abundant agricultural production will bring no profit if there is no avenue for marketing them. He encouraged attending farmers to grab the opportunity of the training program, which aimed to give insights on how to market agricultural produce to earn profits. Around 50 farmers participated in the program. District Agricultural Officer Chandal and Krishi Vigyan Kendra KVK Chandal, along with Alumni Association of Agriculture College, Imphal, held a one-day awareness program on quality seeds for organic agriculture at Hanathem village in Chandal district today. Manipur Organic Mission Agency, MOMA, Department of Horticulture and Soil Conservation and ICAR Research Complex for NE8 region, Manipur Center, Imphal, sponsored the program. Resource persons stress on various topics such as quality seeds and its importance, present status of organic farming in Manipur, care and management of rice, conversion of conventional field for organic agriculture, IPM, IDM in rice, soil health management for organic agriculture, and scopes on medicinal plants at even. More than 100 farmers participated in the program. Pubala Gram Panchayat organized an awareness program on MGNREGS and PAMYG scheme at Sunusify Mayai Mantap in Bishnupur district today. Auditor of Manipur Social Audit Agency, Panchakumar, stressed on the schemes at the event. He urged the public to contact Manipur Social Audit Agency when deprived of the benefits under the scheme. United Cine Exhibitors Association of Manipur, UCEAM, held its annual meeting and discussed on present standard of Manipur Cinema Hall and measures of development at Machu Cinema Hall in Samuro today. Attendees took various resolutions, including renovation of cinema halls in the state and to urge producers not to market DVDs of the films released in the cinema halls before 3 years from the release date.
Matam-matamgi sunaba mawongda semgat sagatpa Manipur Cinema Hall da kapliba film ase DVD market sahi ahumdi producer singna thadok piraktaba haina su lepnare mini cinema hall singede hanage matogum president ge mafam da ge cassette adumak logani karigumba logdaba taragadi makatana mangonda film pi da haina su lepnare Hauzik oiriba Manipur Cinema Hall singi Fiba Masida Anoba Hall recognize Tobada Association na Ayaba Logzaraway.
Results of 24th state level Jananeta Hizam Irabat Saitha Ishai 2019 organized by All India Youth Federation AIYF and MSC at JN Manipur Dance Academy, Imphal yesterday and Ishai Mayek Changdamnaba 2019 held on September 15 were declared today. AIYF in a press release informed that Thingbaijam Sinthoibi from Iroshemba Maningleka has bagged first position in junior category and Chanam Bhanupati from Kangmong Maishnam Leka has bagged first place in senior category, while Tombisana Ningombam from Mayang Langching Taning has secured first place at Ishai Mayek Changdamnaba 2019. Acting on the tip of a combined team of Imphal West Commando at 15 Assam Rifles arrested a suspected cadre of prescribed United National Liberation Front UNLF today. The arrested person is identified as 35-year-old Wadepam Chandra Kumar alias Japan, son of late W. Chandra from Brahmapur Bhagyapati Laikai, Tensubam Lairag. The team led by additional Imphal West Additional SP Operation Amarjit Lamabam arrested Chandra Kumar from his residence this afternoon. He reportedly joined a proscribed outfit through one Roshan from Kongba in 2009 and finished 3 months basic military training at Eastern Nagaland. The Ministry of Sports will create 20 national centers of excellence at groom athletes for 2024 and to 2028 Olympics. Each center of excellence will offer funds for 4 to 6 specific sports. The new scheme will ensure that athletes in the same premises have access to similar facilities unlike before. Union Minister for Youth Affairs and Sports Kiren Rijiju said standardizing training on campuses will enable athletes to attain much higher performances in their respective sport. In a tweet, he urged state governments and corporates to develop sports centers. 20 Sports Authority of India SAI facilities have been identified as national centers of excellence. The centers are in Patiala, Trivandrum, Chandigarh, Sonipat, Lucknow, Guwahati, Imphal, Kolkata, Bhopal, Bengaluru, Mumbai and Gandhinagar, Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium, Indira Gandhi Stadium, Major Dhyan Chand National Stadium, Dr. Karni Singh Shooting Range, Dr. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee Swimming Pool Complex, all in Delhi. The 36th batch of 6-month regular coaching program under Department of Youth Affairs and Sports will start in the first week of October. Coaching will be given in 25 disciplines including athletic, archery, aquatics, boxing, cycling, canoe and kayaking, fencing, football, hockey, rowing, sepak takraw, basketball and other indoor games. Interested individuals may get details from the department. Director of College Development Council, Manipur University, Professor T.H. Ratan Kumar kicked off Manipur University Inter-College Kabaddi the MW Tournament 2019-20 at the university campus today. Manipur College Imphal organized a 3-day tournament under the aegis of Manipur University Sports Committee, Kanchipur. Head of Manipuri Department, Manipur University, Dr. K. Choichandra, Associate Professor of the Department of Mathematics, N.G. Manoranjan, and Principal of Manipur College, Dr. R.K. Radhakishore, attended the event. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister Nongthom Bambirin appeals to ensure correct details on voter list as it will help in curbing illegal entry of migrants in the state. Makhan Union President Henry K. Henny claims Makhan villages have never inhabited on Maram territory nor paid any land taxes. Members of Federation of Government College Teachers Association Manipur announced mass casual leave on September 24 and 25 in demand for 7th UGC pay scale. And Ministry of Sports announces creation of 20 national centers of excellence including Imphal and Guwahati centers to groom athletes for 2024 and 2020 Olympics.